Hi, Nick. I have a question about the Schnucks Rewards app. Do I get points for all this?
Yeah.
So I get points for these?
You sure do.
Yes. Donuts are worth points?
Yep.
How about that cookie?
Oh, he ate his points.
Yes, those are all worth points.
That's a lot of points. You earned money off.
Yes. Yes!
Shop, earn, redeem. Download Schnucks Rewards.
Oh, hey, so I get Schnucks Rewards points on all this. Chips, detergent, paper products.
Even dog food. Do you have a dog?
Shop, earn, redeem. Download Schnucks Rewards.
Hi, so I get Schnucks Rewards points on all this, right? Chips, detergent.
Even dog food. Do you have a dog?
I'll find one.
Shop, earn, redeem. Download Schnucks Rewards.
So with Schnucks Rewards, everything in this case is worth points?
Of course.
Store-made brats?
Sure.
Fresh ground chuck patties? Strip steak?
Yes.
Bacon? Meatballs? Loaded burgers? Chicken kebabs?
Yes.
And what about the pork chops?
Yes.
Shop, earn, redeem. Download Schnucks Rewards.